How to fix Gcash not sending code. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix the Gcash not sending code. So let's go into the process on how we can fix that issue on our device. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're having that issue of Gcash not sending code, if you're trying to log in or go on with different payment method, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. You may just head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you just need to scroll a bit until you're able to find the option called apps onto your device. After that, on the search bar, you're going to type in Gcash, or you may just scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called Gcash. I'm just going to directly search for it and tap on the application. After that, go ahead and locate the storage option here, and you're going to clear the cache of the application. And if that doesn't work, you may just go ahead and clear the data and re-log in into the app. Other thing you can do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it. Otherwise, before that, you may just update the app. For that, head over to the Play Store application, go to the search bar and type in Gcash there. After that, look for any kind of update if there is any update available. And the main thing is make sure you have a good internet connection, because that may be the reason why you are not receiving codes. So make sure you have a good internet connection before any kind of transactions using the Gcash app or logging into the Gcash application. And the next thing is you may just restart your device for once and see if that fixes your issue or not. So that's how you basically fix Gcash not sending code onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.